Why, hello there. Nice of you to drop in. Today's vlog, we're going to go to, well, first we're going to Target. We're gonna go buy a birthday gift for her friend's birthday. That's gonna be happening at Chuck E. Cheese. And so that's what's happening so far. And we're gonna start heading out right now. At the brother-in-law's picking up the whatchamacallit? Picking up the car seat because they used it last time they took her out. So here, picking that up real quick. Small little setback. We actually have to go meet the brother-in-law because he drove off in my niece's car. That's where the car seat is. So we're gonna go pick it up over there. But she's safe. She's safe.
It's not far.
And it's not far at all. We got it. We're at Target. We passed a sign that said "Welcome to Hawkins." I didn't think much of it, but then we ran into all kinds of Stranger Things stuff. Check this out. This is sick. There's even Stranger Things candles and all kinds of snacks and stuff. Oh, of course, they got the waffle maker too. What?
It's gone. It's gone.
It is gone.
What was in here?
Maybe a Demigorgon.
Daddy, or the costume.
Or the costume. So there's this funny thing me and the wife here do. Whenever we pay for absolutely anything, we like have like this thing where we kind of sort of race each other to pay for it. Me with the card and her with her phone. And it's like this little weird little game to see who pays first. But
Which is dumb because it's the same account. But
what?
which is dumb because it's the same account. But
Yeah, but the difference is that people look at me like I'm an asshole, not you. It's a lot more because of that. But it just slowly progressed into like this weird game to see who gets to pay first. I'm doing it for, you know, not to get those dirty looks. I don't care, but still. And then, like I said, it just ended up turning into this little fun little game. See who pays first. Just something I thought it was worth sharing. Everything's kind of sort of all over the place. May's like constantly loses her friends because they keep running off. And this one, got Chuck E. Cheese appearance. The girls ditched us and we're sitting in the adult tables now. ice cream, and all the kids just ran back here. We're just gonna finish off ice cream here, and then we're heading back home. Remember there used to be a show when they used to do this, but with money? That's cool. May? May, did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I got
Let me see.
duckies.
You got Takis?
I don't want my duckies.
I don't want my
Now we're going
Takis.
home to take down what's left of the haunted house.
Here.
Just got home, wasted no time taking down the framing here. And now, last thing I'm gonna do is take the work truck filled with a bunch of stuff that they are gonna keep, and end it with some food. Because your kids don't like the food that the parents want. That's what's happening right now.
It's a small truck.
That's all for this vlog. Catch you guys in the next one.